Spending all my nights so long, waiting for you to go. You're the only one I want by my side.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On this channel I share my sewing journey and more. Thank you very much for tuning in once again, and if you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe. This was a Tuesday morning. I started with some green tea, or a cup of green tea rather. I really enjoy the 5 Roses apple and pear flavor. Before I forget, welcome back to Vlogtober episode 3. It's the consistency for me, child. I'm so excited about the consistency. I really hope that you guys are enjoying the videos. I really am enjoying it now as well. So the next thing I did, I just went to the lounge to enjoy my cup of green tea, and on this specific day I felt like reading my devotional. I don't do this every single morning, but I do it when I feel like it. Yes, so whenever I feel like I feel a bit empty or need some spiritual upliftment, I read it. I do know that we are meant to read our devotionals every single morning, but I honestly do not do that every single morning. When I was done reading, I continued with my cup of tea and I watched a bit of YouTube. I just watched one vlog and it was time to get ready. This is what I'll be wearing. I've had this dress for very long. This is a dress from Mr. Price, and my home scent is the Inuka, inspired by Gucci Bloom. I really like it because it's quite light for home. And of course I stained my slippers because I'm not going anywhere as yet. I'm just gonna make myself something to eat. I had toasted chicken, mayo and cheese, and a cup of coffee. After the meal, I continued with my other home chores, which I did not record, and around 2 o'clock my kids got home, and around 3 o'clock it was swimming time. So they go swimming on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Now as I'm editing this video, I see that I missed a lot of parts. So now it is around evening time and I needed some mom juice. I honestly had a long day. It doesn't show in the vlog because I did not record most of it, but I'll do better, I promise. So we by this time it's around 7:30 to 8. We've already had supper, the kids are already in bed, and it's now time to chill with the hubby.
Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to call. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's hard, but we need each other. No, it's hard, but we need each other. So waiting for you to call. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's hard, but we need each other. No, it's hard, but we need each other.
Today is Wednesday morning. The first thing I did on Wednesday is pack an order for a client. I also had a nail appointment just for a refill, and then I had to go courier the client's package.
Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to call. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's hard, but we need each other. No, it's hard, but we need each other. Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to call. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's hard, but we need each other. No, it's hard, but we need each other. Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to call. You're the only one I want by my side.
I was running so late and I hate being late. I really respect people's time, but then she was really understanding. And anyway, it was a quick refill. When I was done with my nails, very happy, then I went to Pep Store to courier the client's package. It'll be going all the way to Freiburg. And this is where the video ends, my loves. I hope you enjoyed snippets of my life. See you next time.